Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Sucuri WordPress plugin. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click Add New. Search for Sucuri Security, install, and activate it. Once activated, you'll find a new Sucuri Security menu item. Click on it to begin the initial setup, which involves generating an API key to connect your site with Sucuri services, typically taking less than 1 minute. Next, let's explore the powerful security scanning and hardening features. The plugin performs comprehensive malware scans, checking over 30,000 known threats and vulnerabilities across your files and database. You can initiate a full scan with just one click. Additionally, the hardening options allow you to apply several critical security measures, like disabling PHP file execution in specific directories with a simple toggle, significantly reducing your attack surface. The Web Application Firewall, or WAF, is a crucial layer of defense, filtering malicious traffic before it even reaches your site. It blocks common attacks such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting in real time. Furthermore, the activity logging provides detailed records of all security-related events, including login attempts and file changes. This visibility helps you monitor your site's health and quickly identify any suspicious behavior, offering peace of mind around the clock. Finally, should your site ever face a compromise, Sucuri offers robust post-hack cleanup tools. You can request a professional cleanup directly through the plugin dashboard, often completed within a few hours. For advanced users, there are granular settings to customize scan frequencies, notification preferences, and even integrate with other security tools. Leveraging these features ensures your WordPress site remains secure, resilient, and performs optimally against evolving online threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.